Do you have more than one Instagram account and want to log into them on the same device? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to switch between multiple Instagram accounts on one device. Now let's get started. To switch between multiple accounts on Instagram, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings menu and select Add Account. Then select Login to Existing Account if you want to add an account you've already made, or Create New Account if you're looking to make a second account. You can sign in to up to 5 accounts on one device at a time. Once you've logged in to your other accounts, you can easily switch between your accounts by tapping your username at the top of your profile. Then select the account you want to switch to. You can easily switch between these logged in accounts at any time. That's all it takes to switch between multiple accounts on Instagram. Want to change your email on your Instagram account? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.